2012 Scion IQ. We need a new battery, huh? A few days before we replace the battery, we're gonna spray some penetrating oil on the nuts and bolts, on the bracket, and on the terminals. That way, when we replace the battery, the nuts and bolts are gonna loosen up and they're not gonna break on us, because the nuts and bolts and the battery terminal nuts haven't been removed for a while. So let's make sure that they don't break on us. So I'll see you in a few days.
3 days later.
2012 Scion IQ or Toyota IQ. We are replacing the car's battery. The battery type that we need is type 51. Now make sure you get type 51 and not 51R, because 51R, the polarities are reversed on the terminals. And the best price that I was able to get this battery is at Walmart. Here's a short video of me at Walmart almost buying the wrong type of battery. So I found the cheapest price for our battery is here at Walmart. It's $159 for a max 51. Now, make sure you get the latest one, because this was made $12.25 versus this one is $5.26. So that's almost a 6 months difference. So make sure you get the newer one. Now it's time to take out the battery. Now take notice that the positive terminal of the battery is towards the cabin of the vehicle and the negative terminal is towards the front of the vehicle. Let's start by taking out the negative terminal. The terminal is held up by a 10mm nut inside the bolt. Now we can just start loosening the bolts with a 10mm socket. You don't need to completely take it out. So turn it counterclockwise to loosen the nut. Now once it's loosened, you can just wiggle out the terminal and move it out of the way. Then let's do the same thing with a positive terminal. There, once it's loosened, you can wiggle out the terminal. Now let's do the bracket. The bracket is held up with two 10mm nuts. Now just be wary about the bracket's rods. When you loosen the nut, it might fall down, so just be cautious about it. Now I'm going to use a 10mm socket and wrench so that it goes through the rod and it's easier to see. With this one, we gotta completely take out the nut so we can move the bracket out of the way. All right, you can actually just take out one. We don't have to take out the other nut. Now, let's take out the battery. Ew, it's dirty. Okay, battery out. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the two batteries. They are almost identical in size. Again, they're both type 51s. Now when you put in the new battery, make sure that the terminals are oriented in the same way that we took out the old battery. So we're gonna turn this the other way around when we put it in. Putting in the battery has the same orientation as the old battery that we just removed. Now make sure it is flattened in the base. Next, we're gonna put in the brackets first. Make sure it clips to the base and the nut is not cross-threaded. So start by hand tightening it first so it doesn't cross-thread. Then I'm gonna tighten it snug, but not too tight. Just make sure that it doesn't move around when we're done. See, it's still loose, so tighten it a bit more. There you go. Now before putting in the terminals, make sure you take out the covers for the post, because I've seen a few people forget to take out the covers on the terminals. Oh, this is hard to take out. Give me a second. Let me get a screwdriver. Okay, I don't have any tools, so I'm going to use my home keys. There you go. So next, we're going to install the positive terminal first. Wiggle it in. Then tighten it snug. Not too tight, but not loose that it will lose contact with the terminals. Then install the negative terminal. Then close the cover for the terminals if you still have them. I will start the vehicle, but I'll leave the mic here so you can hear the engine. Yay, it started. As expected, of course. After you replace the battery, don't forget to bring your old battery where you purchased the new battery so you can get a core charge refund. And that is how to replace the battery on a 2012 Scion IQ or Toyota IQ. Thank you for watching.